We guide you through how to download Fortnite on your Samsung phone. So, start by opening the Epic Games app on your device or visiting official Fortnite website, then tapping download and following the on-screen prompts to allow installation from a known source if required. Making sure your Samsung phone meets the minimum system requirements like Android version 8.0 or higher and the sufficient storage space. After the download completes, simply open the app, sign in or create your Epic Games account, and grant any necessary permissions for smooth gameplay. If you encountered errors like app not installed, check your storage and security settings, clear cache if needed, and restart the download. Once installed, you can customize settings for graphics and controls to optimize performance on your Samsung device. And finally, launch Fortnite to start playing right away with friends, enjoying full mobile battle royale action with no extra steps or unnecessary apps.